Hey everybody, how we doing? Kent here. Gonna be doing some homemade bacon. This is 6 pounds of pork belly. I've had in a brine since last Saturday. Tender quick curing salt, some black pepper, salt, and garlic powder, and brown sugar. When I come back, it'll be rinsed and drying on the rack. So I'll get back with you shortly. Thanks, gang. Alright, gang, here we are back with the pork belly, rinsed off, set on a rack to finish drying. Gonna cover it and put it in the fridge overnight. And when we come back tomorrow, I will have the smoker fired up, and we're gonna slowly smoke this about 200 degrees. And then we'll be ready to cool and slice into bacon and package. So we'll see you back in the morning, gang. Thanks. Well, good morning, everybody. Kent here again. Getting ready to put the pork belly on the smoker. Just fired it up, letting it come up to temp. We're going to leave it on the rack, make it a little easier to handle. And we will, let me put this down here a second, get another shot of it. And like I said, we're going to slow smoke this bad boy. Should take, I'm guessing, at least 4 hours, if not longer, which should leave me time to troll Myron and watch Barlow. So we will see you back at the pit. Alright, everybody, we're back at the pit here. As you can see, I'm running just over 160 degrees on this. I don't want to actually cook the meat, I just want to smoke it. Impart some smoke flavor in it. The pork belly will be sliced up after it cools overnight, and we will slice that up in the morning, and we'll show it to you then. In the meantime, along with the pork belly, which the lighting's not the best, but you can see it there on the left, found some cubed pork shoulder. And that's actually has my barbecue rub on it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to smoke that for a while until it gets the color I like. But you're not going to see a lot of the color in the end, because this is what I'm actually going to batter and shallow fry. That'll be in a different video. But I thought, I got the room on the grill, let's do them together. So when the belly is done, we will show you tomorrow when we slice it. Thanks, gang. Have a great night. Bye. Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. Here is our finished pork belly. I was on the smoker for about 6 hours, running about a little under 200 degrees. So we're going to slice this up here. Let me grab my little friend here. And we're going to try to keep this about 3/16 of an inch thick. Just want to square it up a little first. And the nice part is that'll be my piece later. So let's get a nice full slice here. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep slicing. I'm going to take a couple slices here later. I'm going to fire up my griddle on the Camp Chef, fry some up, and see how it turns out. So we'll be back, gang. See you then. Alright, gang. We're going to fry up a little bacon, give it a little try, see how it turns out. A couple different slices out of the belly. More of a slab bacon style, more of your traditional bacon. More like side pork, I guess. So we're going to throw a couple pieces on and give it a try. And no, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch the whole bacon cook. I think everybody knows how to cook bacon. But we'll be back when it's about ready. And alright gang, here we are. The finished product. Just finishing up on the griddle here. It's looking awesome. Put this down, drain it on a towel here for a second. So it's manageable. This is going to be hot, but it's going to be worth it. Oh yeah. I'll take that any day. Nice little sweetness on it from the brown sugar. Really, really happy with that, guys. So if you like it, great. If not, sorry, I'll try to do better next time. Have a great week, everybody. See you later.